go! We're airborne! We're airborne! We did it! Hey, what's up guys? It's Saturday. You know, posted the first vlog a couple days ago. A few of my friends told me they really like it, so we're gonna keep up with it. Today we're going to go pick up Matt here in about 45 minutes or so, run to the store, grab some stuff. Kind of went overboard buying stuff for the cookout, so I have a lot left over. So today I have Matt coming over, my buddy Gabe is coming over, and we're just gonna kind of cook some lunch, hang out for a bit, you know. Just left the house, about to go pick up Matt. Then we gotta run and pick up my new mask to wear when I'm out in public here, because we have that mask ordinance thing. And then run into the store, pick up a few things, and then we're cooking. Let's go. There's this man.
Fuck this quarantine, dude.
Oh shit. What's up, bro?
How's it going, guys?
How's your day?
You know, chilling, man. Made some fucking pancakes this morning with Nutella.
Ooh. Super dark.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Welcome to the vlog.
Appreciate it.
That's Coop.
Yeah.
Coop, if you could tell people one thing, one piece of advice, what would you tell them right now?
One piece of advice. If you do something stupid, don't send it on video to your boss. That's my one piece of advice.
It's a funny story. Last week, one of my roommates was telling me he didn't think I was gonna follow through on some of my plans because I never bought Smirnoff Ices to ice them with. Well, John, you kind of forced my hand with this one, buddy. Your time has come. How do you feel about that one?
Fuck you, dude.
Alright, what's up guys? Basically my mic died earlier, and earlier this morning actually, and so all the footage I got today has no sound, but we got Matt here. What's up, Matt?
What's up, guys?
Basically what we're doing, taking a little road trip, gonna go see my grandmother for Mother's Day, and I got a drone, so we're gonna attempt to fly it today, so you'll see that here pretty soon. Alright, what's up you guys? Matt and I made it right here by the river. Check it out. I don't know, we're gonna take out the drone, maybe swim a little bit. What do you think?
Oh, fuck yeah, man. It's nice.
It's beautiful, like, look at this view. It's too good not to. That's cute. You that for your girlfriend?
Wish. I don't even have a girlfriend.
Oh, we didn't even dress for this. I got short shorts on. Matt's got short shorts on. Yeah, we out here. We're still going. We're mountain men. Mountain men.
Mountain men.
Mountain.
Got the match too.
So we're still walking down the beach of this river. Is that really a thing?
What?
The beach of a river? Is that a thing?
I think it's a riverbank.
Walking down the bank then. We decided to keep walking down the bank, find another place. See, like this actually doesn't look too bad.
Hey, somebody had a fire here.
Got a nice little barbecue pit, little fire.
Yeah.
Think we keep moving or what?
Oh, for sure. Oh, yeah.
Always keep moving. We're always moving forward. Always, dude. This actually like drops off right here. Like, this might not be a bad spot to swim from. I say we stay.
I like it.
I like this spot. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, how many cool shots did we just get with that?
Hopefully at least one. Hopefully at least one.
Yeah. If it's wrong, why does it feel so right? Touching on you tonight. Stop trying to tell me that it's over.
Alright, so Matt just pointed something out. We were too busy flying the drone. Look at these flowers. Look at them.
Look at that.
It's actually really pretty. That's really pretty. Alright. Review time. Just flew the Phantom 3 standard. Matt, what do you think?
That is like easy to use, really fun to use. Had a great time. Yeah.
Would you fly it again?
Oh, for sure. 5 out of 7.
Are you gonna get one now?
Yeah, actually, I probably will.
Today was the first day. We got to take it out and fly it. And wow. I'd give it like, I don't know, like a 17 out of 23. Which way did we go?
That way.
So yeah, 17 out of 23. It's a good percentage. I want to get another one now. And meanwhile, we're trying to get this man to get a camera so he can start vlogging as well. Oh my God, dude, I'm about to slip. We want him to start vlogging, and we're gonna get him a camera, and I'm gonna get another camera and a drone. And yeah, now we're walking back. I really don't know what we're planning on doing at this point. Maybe go get some food.
That's some of that famous barbecue, dude.
Get some good barbecue. That sounds kind of good.
First, you have to get to fucking Jumanji, man.
Especially what?
You have to get to fucking Jumanji to get there.
Yeah, traversing the wilderness to get some food. Ow! So we're now here in Fredericksburg. Ready to stop. My man wants some wine.
Yeah, I'm low-key an alcoholic.
Low-key's an understatement, but... So we just had a realization. Texas doesn't sell alcohol on Sundays, so...
And this is why I would say New York is the better state.
But do you see how dark that shot is? Lighten up. Come on, lighten up. There we go. Yes.
Texas to lighten up, dude. You need to start selling alcohol on Sundays.
This man's salty.
Big salty.
Alright, what's up, you guys? It's the end of Sunday. You know, just about to drop Matt off. And yeah, I think I had a pretty good day, Matt. You have a good day?
Yeah, it was really good. It was nice outside.
Yeah, so yeah, for now, just take it easy. Matt, you got anything to add?
Nah, that's about it. Y'all have a blessed day.
I ain't been sober, no, I've been drinking. I need some closure, girl, I've been thinking. Way too long.
Good morning, my friend. Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you awake?
No, dude.